I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix a Google Pixel display that has suddenly turned black and white. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Google Pixel device, scroll down, and then tap Accessibility. Step 2. Tap Color and Motion. Step 3. Tap Color Correction on the next screen. Step 4. If the toggle switch next to Use Color Correction is turned on, tap to switch it off. Your screen should immediately change back to full color. If your display is still black and white after checking your accessibility settings, the culprit is likely an automated feature called Bedtime Mode. This feature is designed to reduce eye strain at night by turning your screen to grayscale automatically. You can disable the grayscale feature in Bedtime Mode by navigating back to your main settings menu and selecting Digital Wellbeing. From there, tap Bedtime Mode and then tap Customize in Modes on the next menu. Scroll down to the More Settings section on the next screen and then tap Display Settings. Toggle Grayscale off. Grayscale will no longer auto-activate in Bedtime Mode going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.